If you're watching this, then that means you want to start a business but you don't know how to go about it. But you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to talk about how to start a successful business. And starting a business is a step-by-step process. The first step is ideation. You need to come up with at least 10 ideas that you can start a business in. Then from the 10 ideas, choose the best suitable for you. After you've chosen the best suitable idea for you, you need to understand why you've chosen that idea. This will help you get clarity of the thing that you want to do because clarity is everything in a business. It will help you see the bigger picture. It will also help you to know your why, and this will ground you in the future. You can come up with business ideas by brainstorming. This can be thinking about your interests or your skills and expertise, or even finding a gap in the market. Then, after this, you can research the market, find the trends, or even the target audience that you'll want to target. After brainstorming your ideas, you need to come up with a unique value proposition. For example, if you're targeting entrepreneurs, you need to come up with a value proposition that will target specific entrepreneurs. For example, if I want to coach entrepreneurs, I can come and say I'm targeting small businesses. So I can come and tell you that I'm coaching you on how to start a small business. For your idea to come to life, you need to focus on that problem that you want to solve. The next step is to validate your idea. You don't need to start with so many products or spend so much time 6 months, 1 year, or 2 years planning. All you need to do is to start with a minimum viable product. A minimum viable product will help you with lead generation, and lead generation is to test if people are interested in your products. If you get lead generation, then that means people are interested in your products, and that means you'll get sales generation. And the best way of validating your idea is by offering something of value for free. For example, if you want to do coaching, you can offer free masterclasses to a few clients to begin with, or if you want to sell products, you can create content around certain products for free. When you do this for free, you'll be able to get genuine feedback from potential clients. The next step is to shape your product. You need to adjust your product to fit the market, and the feedback you get from the lead generation will help you with this. For example, if you are testing a product, you could ask potential customers what you can improve in that product. Or you could even find that potential clients are asking for a certain thing frequently. Let's say you are selling blue sneakers, but customers will come and ask, do you have black sneakers? Now that will help you shape your product and start selling instead of all blue sneakers will also include black sneakers. And in this step, you could also evaluate where you want to sell your products. Do you want to have your own website? Do you want to sell on Instagram? Do you want to open a YouTube channel? Just evaluate where you want to sell and how you're going to sell your products. You can also think about how you want to package and price your products. Then, as you think about all this, set a time where you'll be launching your products. And this takes us to the first step, which is launch a product. Start selling your product as soon as you shape your product to fit the market. As we said, you don't have to spend a lot of time planning, because if you spend a lot of time planning, then that newness of having a good idea will fade away. When you start selling a product, you can focus on organic growth or even pay for ads and use influencers so that your product can be out there. And now customers will be able to see your products and then they'll come and buy from you. One thing that you should note when you launch a product is that you won't get immediate success. As I say, business is a journey and you'll have to work on it for you to get the success that you want. The fifth step is grow and expand. For you to grow, you need to learn how to streamline your business. For example, if you're a content creator, then you need to come up with a content calendar of when you're supposed to script, when you're supposed to record, when you're supposed maybe to edit videos and all that. if you're into business, for example, you're selling products, then you need to have inventory of the products you're selling. This will help you to have a smooth flow of the business. Another thing that you need to do to grow is to learn from your analytics. Your analytics will help you to know what is doing good and what is not doing good. And in that, you'll be able to change a few things so that your business can also expand. You can also introduce new products into your business or even expand to other locations. These are just 5 simple step-by-step process of how you can start your business. I'm going to talk about how to come up with business ideas in the next videos. If you'd like to see that, please do subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.